Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to chain. We'll first create a slip knot, and in case you have no idea what that is, we've created a quick 1-minute video showing you how to create a slip knot, so you'll be up to date in the video below. Just remember to come back once you created it. So after we created our slip knot, the first step is to insert our hook through the loop. Note, the loop on the hook is not a stitch. You can adjust the size of the loop. If the loop is too big, then pull on the working yarn, and if it's too small, then pull the hook up. Then we'll yarn over, which is pushing the yarn away from you so that the yarn falls over the hook. And finally, we pull it through the loop that's already on the hook. Great job, you just created your first chain. So two common problems most beginners face while they're making a chain are having troubles pulling the yarn through. So to fix this, make sure the hook head is facing down when you're pulling the yarn through the loop. This is because if the hook is facing you, there's a high chance it'll get stuck. The second problem is that the sizes of the chains are not consistent. To fix this, always try to position your thumb and middle finger under the loops on the hook while crocheting. This will help prevent you from stretching your piece. So let's create our next chain. All we need to do is yarn over again, and before you pull the yarn through the loop, make sure the head is facing down so that it won't get stuck. Pull that through the loop that's already on the hook, and that's it. Good job, you've just created your foundation chain. Before moving forward, I recommend practicing crocheting a chain so all your stitches will look exactly the same. Try to make your chains not too loose or too tight. You're going to notice that one side has V-shaped stitches or braids, which is called the right side, and on the other side, the wrong side has bumps. If you want to know if you did the pattern correctly, it's a good habit to always count the number of stitches of every round or row. To do this, make sure the foundation chain is not twisted and the right side is facing up. So let's count the V-shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you know how many chains we got.